So the name of your company is Meta Viable Solutions. So tell us about the company, tell us about the business, and how do you hope to add value through the company?
Thanks. Absolutely. So, Meta Viable Solutions, that name just came to me, and it means higher perspective, sustainable solutions. And
Mm.
a lot of it is how do we take ourselves out of the picture and look at what's going on so that we're looking at our future goals, the future state we want our company to be in, and not just the current state. So, a lot of the work that I do is helping businesses during times of change, growth, and transition, as we're talking about transformative
And,
leadership,
and
right?
and everyone is going through one
Right.
or a combination of those.
Right, exactly. So I've been more recently involved in strategic operations and also cultural improvements within businesses. And because of the experience I just shared with you, I decided, let me try to do this now from the outside in. I've worked in companies where they bring in consultants and what have you. And I said, let me work as an outsourced or a fractional COO where I could be the right hand to the CEO, the overwhelmed CEO.
Mm.
And what they can do is it's kind of like having a more affordable solution than having a full-time executive suite.
Right.
Because sometimes companies have that full-time C-suite and they're not really getting things done.
Mhm. Mhm.
And there's something that they call kind of like hoovering, or people that are just in roles to just fulfill the roles, or what they're
Wow.
just keeping what's comfortable and what's happening in in the company. And that's actually holding the company back, because as we know, we're working in a world that's constantly changing. We have to respond to what's going on in the market and what's happening in the world, and
Mhm.
that involves change.
Yeah.
So you should have and be open to that change. So as a fractional COO, I can come in and work with you at least 1 day a week and really serve as your right hand and help you with an outside perspective with your operations, helping you to build a sustainable business that's going to be able to thrive.